Hi everyone, this is DailyChilli. I'm here back in Shanghai after a trip last week to Hunan, which is another province in China. Actually went to a little village called Huaihua. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's like 7 hours by train and then 2 hours more by car. So it was a very, very good trip. I went there because I started to do this new web documentary for a company talking about organic food. So that's why I went there to do some shootings. This week I also started to read a book called You Are Not a Gadget. It talks about the technology, actually the devices and the use of social media in this digital era. And also I realized that last week, on the 7th of September in 2004, is the day I left Colombia. So it's gonna be 14 years since I left my country. Long time. So yeah, that's my update for these 2 weeks. And today's password for my daily post is time. Okay, see you guys. Bye.